Hey everybody, today we're out here in Lathrop, California at the Webb community here in River Islands. This is a 55 and up community and it is built by Pulte Homes. Now, these are very beautiful homes. The home that we're looking at today is called the Voyage and it is 2,743 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. I'm Andre, your Cali Valley relocation realtor. I tour new builds and resale homes for you. I provide you with a ton of great buyer tools and I cover the good and bad of Central Valley cities. So if you scan this QR code above, you can get access to my link tree to book a virtual tour or a consultation with me. Now, if you stay to the end, I will cover the floor plan for this home, as well as a snapshot of what the new home buying process actually looks like, and the true cost of what purchasing a home actually looks like as well, and so much more about this community. Now, let's get into the tour.
I got you. This is the official family anthem. You know the ones you grown up with. If you love your family, stand up and say,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Woo. Hey daddy, I got you.
your family,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Woo. Hey daddy, I got you. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
daddy walk in the house, looking a mess, stress. Mom show him love, quick reminder he blessed. Bro on the games like he a big shot. Sis texting about new clothes she got. Sound familiar? It ought to be the real deal. Yes, it's your family. The loved ones repping where you come from. A bond recognized from the birth to the slum. We play different parts, but in the same band. You the front, we represent the back of your hand. It always hold those, that's our biggest fans. As the one place we stay in demand. We all play a role in keeping the fam whole. And seeing success together is our goal. So when I call their name, do as I do. Point to them and tell them, yo, I got you. Yo, brother.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
Yo, brother.
I got you.
Yo, sister.
Sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Now life is a fight that will test your bond, but we super glue connected till life is gone. And no matter the struggle from the path we on, dedication stay there. Lines are clearly drawn, so we must be real despite how the fam feel. Careful, 'cause our words can scar like steel. Protecting those we love is ideal for my fam. Now will I give my life? Sure will. So it's time, take us away and we drift. We may only unite when one of us goes stiff. And yet, the ones we love to death at times wanna choke them till nothing's left. But we fam, so a grudge ain't how we get down. Disrespect my heart, we going around speaking on my fam sick. You got the flu, see a doc while I tell my fam I got you.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
your brother,
Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la la.
Here's a little bit more information about the community. There is an HOA of $193 right now. There's also a Melrose tax throughout the whole River Islands community, which is at 1.99%. You are looking at 9 different floor plans in this community, and they are all single-story floor plans. It has a beautiful clubhouse that they just finished in March of this year. It is now accessible to anybody within the community. I actually did a video on it, so if you want to be able to see that at the end, you can either go to my channel or you could click on the link that I'll be providing to you for the next video, so you can check it out for yourself. Very beautiful place. We are still in the really early stages of building this community. They're building about 578 homes, I believe is the exact number. There's a lot of opportunity out here to be able to relocate from the Bay Area or wherever you are to move into this community and really enjoy what luxury lifestyle is like for the 55 and older. So if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. If you have questions or comments, feel free to reach out or give me a call. And if you're moving 2 days from now or 2 months from now, really doesn't matter. I'm happy to help you out through the process. Now click on one of these 2 videos to get more information about the community, the clubhouse, or just learn about River Islands in general.